Let's talk about where your automations actually live. When it comes to N8N, you've got two main options. You can run it locally on your own computer, or you can run it in the cloud. Let's start with local hosting. This is the cheapest way to get started. In fact, it's completely free and everything runs on your own machine. You can even connect it to locally hosted AI, and so AI can be free too. That means full control and maximum privacy, since your data never leaves your machine. It's a great option when you're learning, testing, or building your first workflows. But there is a trade-off. Your automations only run when your computer is on. When your computer closes down, your automations do too. Now on the other side, we have cloud or VPS hosting. Your automations run 24/7, even while you sleep, because they're hosted on remote servers. That means higher reliability and no interruptions. It also gives you more flexibility, like handling incoming webhooks from tools such as Stripe and Typeform, but that is beyond the scope of this course. The trade-off here comes down to cost and responsibility. If you go with a VPS, it's usually more affordable and fairly straightforward to set up, but you're responsible for maintaining the server yourself. However, that VPS is your server, so your data stays with you. I use a VPS for my own N8N automations, and the host that I've chosen is Hostinger. And the reason for that is that Hostinger actually cater to N8N. If you go over to the Hostinger website and look under services, you'll see self-hosted N8N. If we click on that, we can see the prices for the servers. Now, these prices are paid for 2 whole years. So the plan that I've got is the KVM2, but KVM1 would probably be sufficient for most people starting out. And if we choose that plan and go and have a look at the final cost, you'll see that for 2 years, 24 months, that is going to cost you $188.47, or at least that's what it is at the time of recording this video. The other option you have is the N8N's official cloud subscription, and you can get to there by going to n8n.io. This is the most expensive option, but it's also the easiest hands-free option because everything is managed for you, so you don't have to worry about servers, maintenance, or setup. However, if we look at the pricing of this, you can see that it starts from 20 billed annually. That's billed annually. If I go to monthly, it's 24 euros a month, and you'd probably need the pro version anyway, so you're talking 60 euros a month. Compare that to 188, that is like 3 months subscription to this service, and you'll get everything you need, except you have the little bit of maintenance. Now, I've had my VPS for several months, and the only thing I've had to do is update something, and Hostinger gave me full instructions on how to do that, so it wasn't anything difficult. So really, it's a choice between saving money and managing things yourself, or paying for a more fully managed hands-off experience. So here's the simple way to think about it. Start local if you're learning or building your first automations. And then if you need always-on workflows, you can move to the cloud. And my preferred option would be to a VPS. But both options are powerful, local or cloud N8N. It just depends where you are on the journey. In this course, I'll briefly cover the easiest way to set up a VPS, but the whole course will be run on N8N installed on the same computer I'm creating this course on. In the next video, we'll install N8N locally.